Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy. Thank you for clicking onto this video to watch this unboxing of the winter seasonal box from Simply Gilded. If you're not following me on Instagram, here is my handle right here. And if you're interested in seeing what's inside this box, stick around. So I've already cut the tape on the box so that I could easily open it up. I have not looked inside. However, I have seen what would be inside the box, but I haven't actually seen it in person. So let's jump into it. And for those of you who watched the reveal, it is a reversible box. And it's this beautiful muted, like bluish green wintry scene with like a silver foil, and it says winter. And we will reverse the box at the end, but let me go ahead and put the box to the side and we'll take things out one at a time. And you know, the first thing at the top is this beautiful journaling card or postcard, and I love the winter scene and the A-line house there with like looks like kind of like a barn with these cute little deer. Oh my gosh, it's a postcard. It's so pretty. I really love that. Okay, so let's put the box aside, and I think she made this super easy. In fact, she made this super easy. It looks like everything is packaged inside this bag and just a few other things here. And you've got all this crunchy little paper, but check out the inside of the box. This one is definitely a keeper. Okay, we'll put these aside and let's get into the bag. So first off, you've got this gorgeous zippered bag with this scalloped edge, and I think she was calling this color like a sea pearl, and it's definitely iridescent and it's very, very beautiful. I love it, and it's got silver hardware. It does say Simply Gilded right here. Now I am noticing like the line is not perfectly straight, but that is not a huge deal to me, but it is noticeable. This is jam-packed. It's awesome. So as you can see, you can fit a lot into this bag, and it's see-through, so you can stuff it to the brim and still be able to see what it is that you're trying to grab at. Now, I will say that I am a big fan. Okay, I won't say a big fan of Stony Clover. I like it. I just don't want to pay the money for their products. They're quite pricey, but I like the lettering, and I did pick up some letters from a shop called Best Day Ever. They are on Instagram, and they've been having some Black Friday sales. They had their letters buy one, get one, and I picked up some letters that I think will match with this bag, and so I'm going to put those across here, and I think it's going to look really, really good. So hopefully it shows up soon, that maybe I can insert a picture into the video. So there is the bag. All right, let's take a look at the washi, and it looks like we have 5 rolls, and the first 2 are the Stardust with like a ombre blue to cream or white, and then you've got these, I guess it's like a garland with bows and snowflakes and hearts, and it is gold foil, whereas this one I think is silver. And then you've got your winter scene, just like the postcard. So pretty. And we will, I'll swatch these out so we can really see what those look like. Okay, and then we've got a pen, that really pretty blue color and silver hardware. Stunning. And then you get a mini album. That is so pretty. And this has gold hardware. Inside is the same color. It's kind of like an almond, very light brown color. Really pretty. You got your D-ring on the side and a matching bow, of course. There you go. You can clip it onto your album. I know some people have said, like, I don't understand why you would want to clip anything to it. It's just pretty. I don't think you need a reason. I think it's just pretty, and you can even clip another charm here if you wanted to. That is gorgeous. Okay, and then this is one of my favorites. I love the sticky note. This cute little barn house with the snowy trees and the wreath on the door with the balcony. It's just so cute. I cannot wait to put this in my planner. It's just so pretty. Okay, and then this, a coaster. So I am filming this on Wednesday, November 10th, November 9th. And she is having a release on Friday, November 11th. And she's going to release a mouse pad that matches this drink coaster. Now, I don't have a cup in here, but I do have my little tree, ceramic tree. And so if you can imagine the base of this, about the width of a coffee cup, and it fits really well. It's so pretty. I love that. Okay, and then I don't remember her showing this in the reveal, but you also get a little bookmark in that same iridescent color. You just put it on the edge of your page. That is so pretty. I love that. Super cute. I'll just keep that on there to the side. Okay, now this was in the bag. So it's an acrylic base, and I imagine that it has some plastic coating to protect the acrylic from getting scratched. And I tell you, these are always so hard to peel up. A little trick I've seen is that you can use a nail file and file the edge of it, and it will pick up the plastic. And of course I don't have one handy, otherwise I would try it. This one might be a little bit easier. Yeah. Okay, do do think it's on the back as well. And I would caution not to use anything too sharp. I've made that mistake and actually scratched up the acrylic slightly. Okay, it is a washi holder. So let's, those are not opened yet, but I do have some other washi here. I'm just gonna slide that on just so you can get an idea of how that works. Just affix it into the base, and then you can stand it up, and then you have a tower of washi. So pretty. I love the bow. This is the one that I was most excited about, was to get the washi stand that was in the shape of a bow. I have a couple of these like I have this acrylic crown, and then I have one that I picked up, I think, from Joann's. That's just a wooden base, and you just put it on the spool. So pretty fun. I love that. And then last but not least, we have our sticker kit. The deco sheets are my absolute favorite. I just love, you know, just the cutout, the kiss cut of the stickers of the various designs. And I love these deer with the silver foil. It's so pretty. And then you got your sampler. And then you get into the sticker sheet. So you got full boxes, your decorative full boxes. I love that snowy scene, the forest and the snow. And then you've got your days of the week. You get 4 sets. I love the A-line house right there. You've got your flags, check flags, tiny deco stickers, these tiny little bows, and then your half boxes, quarter boxes, headers. Simply gorgeous. I absolutely love this winter box. I'm so glad I picked it up. I do believe that she still has some in stock, so check the description in my video. If you've not shopped with Simply Gilded before, you can click the link and get $5 off your order. I think it's worth taking a look. She will be having a Gold Friday sale on Friday, November 11th. There's going to be a lot of things on sale, so make sure that you go check her out and see if there's anything you want to pick up. So I'm going to open this washi. I'll come back and so I have swatched out the washi that was in the winter seasonal box and put it on this beautiful stand. There are 5 washi tapes that were in here, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at them swatched out. So here is the garland with the bows, and it's like a light gold color garland with those bows and hearts and stars hanging down. Then you've got your winter snowy village, and I just love the scenery. I love how detailed it is. And then you've got your stardust with that really pretty muted blue color, light gold, even has like a little bit of holographic in there, I think. You can see it here on the camera. But yeah, it's so pretty. Okay, and so now I thought it would be fun to show you how this box is reversible. So if this is the first time you're seeing it, or you weren't aware, you can reverse the box and use it as a keepsake. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just try to pop these sides out. I do this one here, which is a little bit more difficult. It's funny how one side was easy and this one is a little difficult. I don't want to break it. Just gotta get a little muscle into it. And I already bent it. That's interesting. Okay, there we go. Alright, so you're basically just going to fold it over, recrease those pieces. I know this isn't very elegant on camera. Okay, let's get that folded in. This one folded in. Bring the sides up and tuck them in. I always find that one side pops open more often than the other side, but there you go. It wasn't the most elegant tutorial by any means, but I definitely wanted to show you that the box is a keepsake. It's one of the things that I think a lot of folks in the community requested that her boxes be reusable because they're so pretty. The subscription boxes, they're pretty much the same. I have one here. I won't show you everything because I haven't covered my address, but yeah, they're the same box every month, so there's nothing super special about them the way that these ones are. So there you go. There's this box. There's the winter subscription box, and I appreciate you clicking on to this video. If you liked what you see, please be sure to subscribe so that you can see other unboxings. And in the upcoming month of December of 2022, I will have 3 Advent boxes to open up with you guys. So I'll see you around soon. Bye.